In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download videos using OpenPhone in 2026. First, open your OpenPhone dashboard and go to the conversation or call history where the video or recording is stored. Next, click on the specific call or message thread. If the recording is available, you will usually see a play button or call recording option inside the conversation. Now open the recording and look for a download option on web or desktop version. If it is available, click it and save the file to your device. However, it's important to know that OpenPhone typically allows downloading call recordings, but not all media types like images or attachments are always downloadable depending on permissions and plan settings. Some data may only be viewable inside the app or accessible through export tools instead of direct download. If you need full access, you can go to Settings, Export Data, where you can download call logs and message history in CSV format, but actual audio files may not always be included in exports. If download is not showing, check your plan permissions or use desktop web version because mobile apps sometimes have limited download options. So that's how to download videos or recordings using OpenPhone in 2026.